Whew. If you want to see how much snow we got here at the Simongetti North, keep watching this video. Hey guys, it's Chris here at Gardening at the Simongetti North. Well, this definitely isn't a gardening video, but I just wanted to show you the blizzard aftermath from the snow that we got last night into early this morning. Today is January 13th, so the 12th, January 12th to January 13th, 2024, we had probably about 14 plus inches dump here. And it's just kind of crazy because we had almost about 12 inches a few days ago before that, and we had, dug out and whatever. And then this morning I went out with my boots on, they're, kind of just below the knee there, and I was having snow going above my boots, and it was going above my boots trying to get here to my moon garden. So this is what the moon garden looks like when it's wintertime. Isn't it beautiful? It's pretty no muss, no fuss type of garden at this point. So, but I thought I would take you around the property and kind of show you what it looks like. It looks like a winter wonderland, even more so than the video before. So, but we do have a down power line across our driveway, so we're kind of trapped actually. So I've already called consumers, which today's Saturday, but you had to do like an automated report. So I did report it. They wanted to know where it was, if a person or a car could come in contact with it, which yes, it's across our driveway. We don't need to go anywhere today, but what if there's an emergency? So we would have to get creative to figure out how to get out of here if there was an emergency. But anyway, we're just hoping that doesn't happen. So anyway, we were prepared for the storm, because they did definitely tell us about it. There's a few weather YouTube channels as well that was, recording, letting us know, the pending weather that we ended up getting. But, we were prepared. I have a stocked pantry. Well, a pantry wannabe, because we have to build the pantry, but I have food stored up, to go in that pantry once it's built. That will be a upcoming video, building my pantry. But, we had everything we needed, and we still have everything we needed. And we also had gas for our generator. The house is hooked up to be able to run the whole house with our generators. So, we are definitely prepared. Living in Michigan, northern Michigan, you definitely need to be prepared, and we are. So I hope you enjoy this video. I'm just going to kind of walk around and show you how beautiful it is before all the snow starts falling down. All right, let's get to it. Blizzard of January 2024. Oh, my garden. Cars. Those were all cleaned off. These chairs. Snow right there was going above my boots. It's pretty deep. Look at all the broken limbs on this pine tree. The snow was pretty heavy the other day, and then at the beginning it was pretty heavy, and now it's just all fluffy snow, but look at the garden. Our driveway's blocked. Looks like I got some garden damage. Hopefully it just came apart and didn't break. Well, if it did, I'll just buy a new one. But holy cow, look at the garden. Squeakers. Look at you guys. What do you think, Squeak? It's up to their chest. You guys wanted to come out. So here we are. Here we are. Here's the hubby. Plowing around the down power line. He went around it, made a path, so if we need to get out, we can at least go out that way. That'll make it easier for consumers to get in here too and take care of that. But we are definitely semi-trapped. Zeke, you stay here. You stay here, buddy. Come over here. No, come. There they are. There's a rock star. She loves the snow. Don't you, baby? Where are you, Squeak? Where are you, Squeak? So here's the other side of the driveway. I walked the path that Dan made there so I could get around it. Starting to snow again. Yeah, we definitely need consumers here. And see where it pulled it right down. That's power to the garage, it's not power to the house. See where the tree just broke right off. These were one of the trees that Dan was going to take down anyway. Mother Nature did it for us. This is where our big buck swing is. That came down. You can see it's on the ground right there. There's the strap. We're going to have to find a new tree for that. Grandkids love that swing. He likes to make a path in the yard. It also helps the dogs too because they need to go do their business, and if it's all the way up to their belly, it makes it a little more difficult. So then we can play frisbee with them still. So I thought I would just share with you the aftermath of the blizzard that we had here. I mean, we had winds, 40 miles an hour plus gusts at times, and we never actually went into a blizzard warning. We just had the winter storm warning, but West Branch, that's about, 20 miles or so from us, they were in a blizzard warning. So, and farther a little bit up north, like by Ascota, also was in a blizzard warning. But we made it through, and we only had a couple, very short power outages. I mean, just enough to mess the clocks up, and then that was one time, and then we had it go out while we were sleeping, and then when I got up at 2 in the morning to use the restroom, the power was on. So we were definitely lucky that way. Our only issue right now is this down power line that's across our driveway, but my husband was able to take the tractor and plow us a route out around it, quite a ways around it, and he's actually plowing the front half of our driveway, so to make it easier for consumers. So just wanted to let you know we made it. And for you guys in the south, I just wanted to show you what you were missing here. Oh gosh, the older I get, the more I'd rather be in the sun and on the beach or somewhere warm. But you know, we live here in Michigan and our grandkids are here, and I'm not leaving because I want to be by them. So smash that like button if you like this video, and share this video with anyone who might want to see some snow, and become a Simongetti subscriber today as well. And I will be doing more updates. I have a video coming out tonight, and then I have some other ideas more on the emergency preparedness and building a pantry. So that's my next project, is building a pantry and having the food to go in it. So I don't know, I can't really say live, love, laugh, and garden because it looks like it's gonna be a while before we garden again. But hey, God bless you, and we'll see you at the next one. Bye.